G'day, my name's Elise. I'm from REC Ignite and we're working with the City of Rockingham and the Rockingham Youth Reference Group to deliver the Mary Davies Street Makeover. So the really exciting thing about these programs is that so often young people are left out of the design and the maintenance of our built environments. The cool thing about REC Ignite Street Makeovers is that we not only involve young people in the development of these spaces, but we ask them what they would like to see. They get to plan it from the ground up, and then they're involved in actually building and delivering the finished project. It gives young people an incredible sense of ownership over the space and a lot of pride of place.
Hi, I'm Rain and this is Coda and we're from the Rockingham Youth Reference Group.
Being a member of the Youth Reference Group, it's really refreshing to be reminded of how important it is to be connected with our community, especially as a really young person. Having younger people know that they're a part of the community and that they get to kind of make an impact as well is really important, and I think that's been very beneficial in this project because there hasn't been any discrimination on age or even like capacity or capability. Everyone's kind of gotten to have a go and try something new, and that's been really fun.
So the project that I led here during the makeover is designing the ping pong table. So we did a quick design on it and then I got a bunch of people to help me paint it, and it was a really fun experience to do and work with the city. I found it really enjoyable to be able to lead a group project as a young person and being able to actually facilitate that for other young people to be able to engage within the community. It was really inspiring to see so many people wanting to engage in the project, and just having people walk past and say, oh, this is looking great, it's so much more vibrant, and it was just really enjoyable.
Some of my favourite parts of the project are the painted seats, bringing a little splash of colour to the area, but it's really got to be the bee murals. Mary Davies herself, who the library and community centre is named after, was an avid beekeeper. To add a little bit of an education element, we've made sure to include native bees. One of the best things about the Mary Davies Street Makeover has been the sheer number of young people who've gotten involved. We've had nearly 40 young people come out every day to help bring this project to life.
The project's been entirely youth-led, with members from the Rockingham Youth Reference Group helping out. We've had a lot of different aged young people come by, some as young as 3, 4, others in their early, late 20s, and everyone has had a chance at helping out, whether that's small things like a little paintbrush here and there.
We've had a number of community members stopping by and just saying how much they love the project and how much they love the colour that it's added to the space, and how wonderful it is to see young people taking a leadership role in their community.